Be honest. How many times have you said, "From tomorrow, I will wake up at 5 a.m." But when the alarm rings, you hit snooze. Again and again. You wake up late. You feel rushed. You feel guilty. And the whole day feels behind. You're not lazy. You're just using the wrong system. Today, I'll show you a 5 a.m. routine that actually works for students. Not the fake Instagram one, but a real one built for focus, energy, and discipline. And if you follow this properly, your days will feel 2x longer. Let's fix your mornings. Most students fail at 5 a.m. for one reason. They focus on waking up early instead of sleeping smart. Your brain runs on something called a sleep cycle. Each cycle is about 90 minutes. If you wake up in the middle of a cycle, you feel like a zombie. That's why even after 8 hours, you feel tired. So step 1 is simple. Don't just set a 5 a.m. alarm. Count backwards in 90-minute blocks. For example, sleep at 10:30 p.m., wake at 5 a.m., 4.5 sleep cycles. That changes everything. Now let's talk about what to actually do at 5 a.m. This is where most students destroy their morning. They wake up and immediately grab the phone. Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, and boom, your brain gets a dopamine hit. Now studying feels boring. Your focus is already gone. So here's the rule. First 30 minutes equals no phone. Instead, wash your face with cold water. Drink 1 glass of water. Stand near sunlight or a window. Why? Because sunlight stops melatonin. Cold water activates your nervous system. Water rehydrates your brain. You're not motivating yourself. You're activating your biology. That's the difference. This is the most important hour of your day. Your brain is fresh. No notifications, no noise, no distractions. This is when toppers win. But don't start with something heavy. Start with 5 minutes planning. Write 3 tasks only, not 20. Just 3 important tasks. Then do 45 to 50 minutes deep study. No music, no multitasking, just one subject. Your brain in the morning has high willpower because decision fatigue is 0. That's science. You haven't wasted energy yet. And when you win the morning, your confidence changes. You walk differently. You think differently. You don't need a full gym workout, just 5 to 10 minutes. Push-ups, stretching, light skipping, or a short walk. Movement increases blood flow to the brain. More oxygen equals better focus. Simple. You're not trying to become a bodybuilder. You're trying to wake up your nervous system. Here's the truth. 5 a.m. success is decided at 10 p.m. If you're scrolling at midnight, 5 a.m. will never work. So here's the shutdown rule. 1 hour before sleep equals no heavy screen use. Dim lights. Plan tomorrow. Sleep same time daily. Consistency trains your brain clock. Discipline is not forcing yourself. It's designing your environment. I know what it feels like. Waking up late, feeling behind, feeling like everyone else is ahead. But listen, one strong morning can change your identity. You don't need to be perfect. You just need one win. Then another, then another. 5 a.m., wake up, no snooze. 5:05, water plus wash face plus light exposure. 5:15, light movement. 5:30, plan 3 tasks. 5:35 to 6:20, deep study. 6:20, get ready calmly. Simple, practical, repeatable. The goal is not waking at 5 a.m. The goal is becoming the type of person who controls his day. While others sleep on their dreams, you build yours. Start tomorrow, not next week. Tomorrow. And if this helped you even a little, like the video, subscribe to Brain Mode, and share this with a friend who keeps hitting snooze. Let's build disciplined minds together. See you in the next one.